In this video, I'll show you how to fix a suspended Google Business profile in 2026. If your profile has been suspended, don't worry. In most cases, you can recover it by identifying the issue and following Google's guidelines. First, sign in to your Google account and open your Google Business profile. If you see a suspension notice, review it carefully to understand whether your profile is suspended or your account has been restricted. Next, check that your business information is accurate and follows Google's business profile policies. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, website, and business category are correct and consistent across the web. Remove any misleading information, keyword stuffing, duplicate listings, or virtual office addresses that don't meet Google's requirements. If you've recently made major changes to your profile, verify that everything is legitimate before submitting an appeal. Once you've corrected any issues, open the Google Business Profile reinstatement process and submit your appeal. Include any supporting documents, such as your business license, utility bill, or storefront photos if requested. Google will review your request, and the process may take several days depending on your case. That's how to fix a suspended Google Business Profile in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch our other Google Business Profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.